Wow, here is the pool at the East Quarter Residences. This is pretty phenomenal. Now it's a little cloudy today, but doesn't mean the pool isn't beautiful, because it is. This is what it looks like. It's just gorgeous. Look at all the wood cabana areas that are there. Those private cabanas. We'll explore that in a minute. This is a fun pool. This is it's probably about 70 feet is my guess. So it's a nice long sized pool, and as you're in the pool, you've got some just fantastic views of the city there. And then, like I said, these private cabanas are very amazing. This is a beautiful area. So you can have a little couch, chair in there, and these are just gorgeous. You've got plenty of chairs out here next to the pool too, so you can really enjoy some good times out here in this pool. Beautiful pool, luxury residence, great views. That's the East Quarter Residences. Hey, now we're gonna go check out the actual models that we're gonna see today. I think you're gonna love them. There's gonna be a penthouse in that model, by the way, so let's go look.